In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add coupon codes in WooCommerce. We're going to walk through the basic setup and creation process so you can enable coupons on your store and start offering discounts to customers in a clean, organized way. This is useful for promotions, seasonal sales, or any special offer you want shoppers to apply during checkout. First, open your WooCommerce settings and go to the General tab. This is where WooCommerce keeps some of the core store-wide options, including whether coupon functionality is available at all. If coupons aren't enabled here, you won't be able to create or use them properly later. Once you're on the general settings page, scroll down until you reach the general options section. Look for the setting that says enable the use of coupon codes and tick that box. This step turns on coupon support for your store, which is essential before you begin creating any actual discount codes. If this option is not checked, customers won't have the ability to enter coupon codes at checkout. After that, click Save Changes. This makes sure the setting is applied and WooCommerce remembers your update. It's always a good idea to save immediately after changing store settings, especially before moving to another section of the dashboard. Next, go to Marketing and then Coupons. This is the area where WooCommerce stores all of your coupon campaigns. From here, you'll be able to create new coupons and manage existing ones in one place. At the top of the coupons page, click the Add Coupon button. Now enter the coupon code that customers will type in during checkout. Make it something clear and easy to remember, especially if you plan to share it in emails, banners, or social posts. You can also enter an optional description for internal use. This description won't be for customers, but it can help you stay organized if you create multiple coupons over time. Then scroll down to the coupon data box. This is where you customize exactly how the discount works. In this section, you can define the details of the coupon so it behaves the way you want. Take your time here, because this area controls the discount setup and how the offer will be applied in your store. Continue in the coupon data box to refine the coupon behavior as needed. This is the part of the setup where you make sure the discount matches your promotion before making it available to customers. Once everything looks right, your coupon setup is ready to move forward. And that's how to add coupon codes in WooCommerce.